Imagine being lost in a remote wilderness or facing an unexpected catastrophe, scenarios all too familiar for outdoor enthusiasts. In such critical moments, possessing the appropriate survival equipment can be the deciding factor between perishing and persevering. Preparedness for survival situations isn't exclusive to extreme adventurers. It's an essential skill for everyone to cultivate. Recognizing this, we've curated a collection of 20 exceptional survival tools highly recommended by seasoned preppers. So, without further delay, let's delve into this fascinating world of life-saving gadgets and gear. The Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set is a reliable fire starter essential for outdoor survival. With this in mind, we found the Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set. This handy tool ensures you can reliably ignite a fire in any condition, providing warmth, cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. Crafted from ferrocerium, this little stick is the best one when it comes to fires. Weighing just 2.23 ounces, it's easy to carry but packs a punch with big sparks every strike. It's designed to last a whopping 20,000 strikes, making it far more durable than any typical matches or lighter. Plus, it generates sparks at a blazing 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring you can start a fire on the first strike every time. The striker is made of high-quality knife steel, so you can sharpen it like any other blade. And for those emergency situations, the included Paracord has jute tinder inside. Just cut it open and it's ready to go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just prepping for the unexpected, the Wolf and Grizzly Fire Set is the most reliable fire starting tool. The MSK1 Mini Edge by Ultimate Survival Tips is a versatile everyday carry knife designed for survival situations. It's the most challenging priority in outdoor explorations. There's no room for mistakes. Making a wise choice can make all the difference. That's where the MSK1 Mini Edge built by Ultimate Survival Tips truly shines. You might wonder why choose this tiny knife. Well, the MSK1 Mini Edge may be small, but it's a powerful tool of versatility. As an everyday carry essential, it's designed to handle any situation with ease, offering robust backup options for multiple purposes. Crafted from Swedish Sandvik 14C 28N steel, this blade is not just tough but also incredibly sharp and corrosion resistant. Its 6.2-inch length and lightweight build make it perfect for daily carry, while its 2.7 edge cuts through tasks effortlessly. The handle, which can be easily removed, reveals a hidden compartment for a fire kit or other survival essentials. On the other hand, the extended pommel doubles as a fire steel striker, so you can ignite a blaze in no time. Whether you want to wrap it with paracord for a custom grip or transform it into a spear for wilderness survival, the Mini Edge adapts to your necessities. It comes with versatile sheath options. Choose leather for a classic look or kydex for modern functionality. The sheath allows for multiple carry positions, ensuring your knife is always within reach. With its rugged build and innovative features, the MSK1 Mini Edge is a fine-tuned companion for any survival situation. The Chamois Carnivore X is an 18-inch titanium-bonded machete built for multiple outdoor tasks. This 18-inch titanium-bonded machete is a rugged tool designed to clear all obstacles. This multi-purpose machete is designed for cutting, digging, sawing, chiseling, and gutting, making it versatile for all your outdoor necessities. The 12-inch blade, made from 440 stainless steel and titanium bonded, is up to 3 times harder than untreated steel, ensuring it stays sharper longer. This machete excels at everything from building shelters to chopping firewood and even carving feather sticks. This sharp tool includes a ballistic nylon sheath and a removable trimming knife with its own sheath for added versatility. With a partial serration, gut hook, and a durable ABS handle, the Carnivore X is built to handle hunting, camping, hiking, and exploring with ease. Whether you're chopping wood or preparing food, this machete's robust design and practical features make it an essential tool for adventures. The One Tigress Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is a lightweight, versatile shelter designed for survivalists. Crafted from 75D ripstop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams. Weighing only 1450 g, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with a canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, YKK double K zippers, and a double-layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guy lines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigress Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist. If you find yourself in a remote, inhabited location, staying alert and prepared is your top priority, especially when it comes to the weather, as challenging conditions can derail your plans. That's why the Midland ER310 is a must-have for survivalists like us. This classic emergency weather alert crank radio keeps you informed with both AM/FM and NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you're aware of severe weather or civil emergencies. The radio features multiple sustainable power sources, solar panel, hand crank, and a rechargeable 2,600 mAh battery, providing up to 32 hours of radio operation. Plus, it can be powered by 6 AA batteries as a backup. The built-in SCRAM LED flashlight, which can flash SOS and Morse code, is great for power outages or navigating in the dark. With its USB connectivity, you can recharge all portable devices on the go. The high-frequency dog whistle is a unique feature that assists search and rescue teams in locating individuals. Compact and durable, this radio is the reliable companion for any emergency, ensuring you stay connected and safe no matter what. The Nightcore MH40S is a powerful flashlight delivering 1500 lumens, ideal for survivalists. That's where the Nightcore MH40S shines, making it a top choice for survivalists. This robust flashlight, crafted from durable aluminum, delivers an impressive 1500 lumens and can illuminate distances up to 500 m. Its long runtime and multiple brightness modes, including strobe, beacon, and SOS, ensure you're prepared for any situation. With USB-C recharging, a remote pressure switch, and a heavy-duty nylon holster, the Nightcore MH40S is designed for those who need dependable lighting in the wild. A knife surely is among the most versatile tools you can use during survival, but sometimes the situation demands more than just a knife. And in that case, the Kellum Wolverine SCRAM is a must-mention. This versatile, heavy-duty machete is perfect for building shelters, chopping firewood, and carving feather sticks. Drawing inspiration from the Scandinavian luku, the SCRAM is both a tool and a defensive weapon. Its 21st century design would surely impress any Saxon warrior from ye good old days. The slightly curved blade, made from durable carbon steel AISI 1075, boasts a full tang construction and ends with a bare tang head for a wrist strap. The blade, sharpened to 2 different angles, offers a 25 degrees edge near the grip for fine work and a 34 degrees edge for chopping. With a length of 430 mm and weighing just 525 g, the SCRAM is easy to handle. Its molded rubber grip provides a secure hold, making it an essential part of your survival gear list. The Ultimate Survival Tips MSK1 is a rugged survival knife with an integrated survival kit. Built to tackle any challenge, this rugged 1/4 thick blade crafted from black oxide-coated D2 semi-stainless steel promises durability with its razor-sharp fine edge. Its design merges power and precision, featuring a tough clip point for piercing and a medium belly for versatile chopping and slicing. The handle boasts a natural feel with canvas micarta front and rear guards and a comfortable grip. What sets the MSK1 apart is its innovative survival kit stored in the handle, packed with essentials for fire starting, water purification, and more. With features like a fire steel striker, stainless steel bow drill divot, and lashing holes, it's designed for ultimate adaptability. Plus, the switchable nylon/Kydex sheath offers versatile carry options. For a sharpened companion to survive any doomsday situation, this knife can be your most reliable tool. Sling Fin Split Wing Mesh Body Tent is an ultralight bug shelter designed for versatile camping setups. We got the Sling Fin Split Wing Mesh Body Tent on this list. This ultralight bug shelter is designed to mesh perfectly with a split wing tarp, but also shines on its own or with other tarps. It stays attached to the split wing, ensuring a dry pitch every time, and shields you from bugs and unwanted critters. Features include straight zippers for durability, a robust PU/20D ripstop floor, and a spacious stuff sack for easy storage. With internal sealing O-rings for hanging gear, side pullouts for increased volume, and an 11 ounces or 332 g weight, it's roomy enough for one but can accommodate 2 hardcore UL hikers if needed. Ideal for through hikes, it's your go-to for modular and versatile ultralight camping. For those who value both comfort and functionality in a headlamp, The BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro seems quite that much well fit for unwanted dark treks or handling campsite jobs easily. This ultra-bright 800 lumen headlamp, designed with BioLite's 3D slim fit construction, integrates electronics directly into the band for a secure, bounce-free fit. With 6 dimmable modes including red and white settings, complete control over illumination is achieved. The standout Pro feature, Constant Mode, ensures the light remains steady without dimming over time. Additionally, the headlamp features a 4-position tilt front lens, moisture-wicking smart fabric, and easy-adjust clips for a balanced, nearly weightless feel. Equipped with a micro USB and run-forever cable input, it allows for pass-through charging, making it perfect for extended adventures and cold weather use. With an IPX4 weather resistance rating, the BioLite Headlamp 800 is prepared for any condition, ensuring illumination and comfort on any journey. While it comes to preparedness, very few can beat the Rhino Ready Companion V2. In this case, this is the most versatile emergency survival system built from the ground up. Stocked with over 40 life-saving gears and gadgets we've seen so far, this bug-out bag comes in a compact package of fire-resistant and waterproof 1200D Micrix pack featuring 6 custom modular components and mall attachment points. Inside, you'll find essentials for warmth, tools, sight and air, light, comms, first aid, food, and water. From a 5.5-inch full tang blade, magnesium ferro rod, and multi-tool to N95 masks, reflective goggles, and a 100-plus piece first aid kit, it's got you covered. The Companion V2 also includes a solar or crank radio flashlight, rechargeable flashlight, headlamp, 3-day food rations, water filter, and a 1L stainless steel bottle. This pack ensures you're confident enough to handle anything, anywhere. Meet the EST Gear Survival Shovel, a versatile multi-tool designed to handle any outdoor task from chopping wood and digging trenches to clearing brush. Its durable construction and easy-to-use design make it indispensable. Crafted from heat-treated, high-quality solid carbon steel, the spade is corrosion-resistant. The aerospace-grade aluminum handles provide maximum strength and lifetime durability, making it ideal for survival scenarios. This multi-tool includes essentials like a knife, axe, compass, saw, fire starter, screwdriver, rope cutter, wrench, and whistle. Lightweight and packable, it can be effortlessly assembled. With all these functions, the EST Gear Survival Shovel is undoubtedly a must-have for doomsday preppers. If versatility and durability in a water filter are top priorities, the LifeStraw Peak Series straw is a perfect choice. This reimagined classic allows direct drinking from lakes, rivers, and streams, offering protection against bacteria, parasites, microplastics, silt, sand, and cloudiness. With enhanced microfilter performance, it ensures a better flow rate and reduces clogging from sand and silt. Weighing just 2 ounces, it's an essential addition to any backpack, emergency kit, or glove compartment. Its lightweight yet durable design, made from premium materials, boasts an unlimited shelf life, making it ideal for any adventure. The Peak Series straw is incredibly versatile, easily attaching to most water bottles and standard gravity hoses, providing safe water for up to 5 years. Trust in LifeStraw's proven reliability, backed by rigorous testing to meet EPA and NSF International/ANSI drinking water standards. Stay safe, stay hydrated, and pack a LifeStraw. Up next is the FastPower A6, an essential gadget for survival situations. It supports you during unexpected circumstances with life-saving features including AM/FM radio services and a powerful 5,200 mAh internal battery that doubles as a power bank for USB devices. It allows you to charge your mobile and make urgent calls during outdoor calamities or power outages. The high-capacity battery ensures extended use of the radio, NOAA weather channels, and an LED flashlight in dark situations. Additionally, it features an SOS alarm and 4 power charging options including regenerative energy from solar panels and a crank, ensuring power availability even in dire emergencies. Firefast Treer is an exceptional fire starter tool that utilizes a ferro rod to ensure a reliable and efficient fire starting experience. Made with Austrian ferrocerium, this rod boasts over a century of craftsmanship. Featuring 76% rare earth metal, 20% iron, 2% magnesium, and 2% anti-corrosives, this military-grade rod generates intense heat and flames, perfect for starting fires in harsh conditions. The magnesium shavings ignite easily with the included striker. The The hardwood handle provides a secure grip even in cold weather and can be scraped to produce dry tinder. With a durable cord that won't break or rot, the Firefast Trekker ensures reliable fire starting in any situation. Let's move on to this amazing backpack mainly made for preppers, which is the QTN QY Bug-Out Backpack. Made from durable 900D polyester, it's waterproof, scratch-proof, and features reinforced double stitching. Its modular design includes webbing on the front and sides for extra pouches or gear. With 5 compartments including a dedicated laptop compartment and a hidden back pocket, it offers organized storage. The padded shoulder straps and mesh-backed area provide comfort and ventilation. Two-way zippers and adjustable waist straps ensure easy access and a secure fit. Suitable for various activities, this versatile backpack combines functionality and comfort, making it essential for survival situations. Perwin 26-in-1 Multi-Tool is a versatile and essential companion for preppers, outdoor enthusiasts, and handymen alike. This all-in-one solution features 26 tools including pliers, a wire cutter, a knife, a saw, files, scissors, screwdrivers, openers, a rope cutter, and a wire stripper. This versatile and thoughtful multi-tool is crafted from high-alloy 440A steel, keeping all situations in mind. Its innovative one-hand access design allows quick deployment, while the vibrant camouflage pattern is perfect for camping. The included pocket clip and nylon sheath ensure convenient carrying. As a practical gift for preppers, this multi-tool provides confidence to tackle any challenge with its high-quality materials and user-friendly design. Next amazing gear is impactful mostly in emergency circumstances, which is the Daran AK87. It is mainly a paracord bracelet that showcases a stylish and eye-catching design. With a stylish design, it's a 20-in-1 survival tool featuring an emergency whistle, high-quality compass, and fire starter. The LED light offers 3 modes: flashlight, SOS light, and flash warning light, lasting up to 72 hours. Made from ultra-strong military-grade 550 parachute rope, it has a minimum breakpoint of 550 pounds and can be used for various purposes. The Daran AK87 bracelet provides great value and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring confidence and trust in tackling the wilderness. Use it for traps, shelter, fishing, suturing, or wound wrapping. Next gear might seem simple but is vital in emergencies: the Titan Paracord. This military-grade parachute cord, designed with special forces in Afghanistan, exceeds mil-spec requirements with a 620 pounds tensile strength and 3 integrated survival strands. It features a 25 pounds monofilament fishing line, a 30 AWG metallic alloy utility wire, and a paraffin-imbued twisted jute fiber strand that serves as a waterproof fire starter. As a veteran-owned company, Titan Survival prides itself on crafting the ultimate paracord, ensuring reliability and functionality in any situation. So that was our list of 20 amazing survival gear and gadgets preppers should have.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.